This is all the shedding or breakage that I have, that has come out of my hair so far. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back, welcome all. This is another series of my relaxed hair journey. As you can tell by the look of my hair, yes, I test sliced my hair. Test laxed. I can't get to pronounce that word, but anyways. So I have gone back to the creamy crack, yes, and I noticed that my hair is a little bit dry, and I did a bit of a research. Sorry, I'm trying to move this camera about, and I got this recommendation about this product, the Monoi ORS Monoi oil. So apparently somebody had recommended it, that it's really good for like relaxed or natural hair, and obviously it helps with, you know, moisturizing and all what have you. As you can see, my hair is slightly dry and kind of like stiff, yes. So I thought, let me try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and compare it to the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. As you can see, I have been using this and there's just a little bit left. So I'm gonna follow the process of deep conditioning my hair with this, and the instructions said you can apply the cream on your hair like a daily moisturizer, but you can also deep condition your hair. You can use it as a deep conditioning treatment. If you can see right there, if this camera will focus, it won't focus. I'll try again. Anyway, I couldn't get that to focus, but what it said on the container was that you need to apply liberally to clean, wet, detangled hair, come through to even distribution, and cover hair with a plastic cap and sit under a warm dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can leave it overnight and allow it to cool, remove plastic or whatever the next day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my hair, and I'm gonna use a plastic cap to cover my hair overnight. So tomorrow I will come back and tell you guys how I feel about the obviously the result, whether it did moisturize my hair, or you know, the way I like it compared to the Cantu or not. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have done this bit because I didn't want to waste a lot of time on camera. I have applied on this and just gotten this bit ready, so I've got this much left to do. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna section my hair into two, and I'm gonna put this one away, and I'm gonna go ahead, take a generous amount like so, and I'm gonna go ahead and rub together and apply on my hair. Now I did spray a little bit of water on my hair before, just to dampen it, but not like dripping wet, right? So I'm just applying generously onto my hair and working it like it was said, and then a little bit more on my ends and on my root. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a finger comb because I don't want to rip my hair. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna leave it alone and move on to the next. So I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and cover my hair with plastic bag. So yeah, plastic bag, cover my hair. So that's my hair sorted for tonight. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and see what my hair actually feels like. Hopefully it's moisturized enough for me to give it a thumbs up, or like, you know, approve it, because it's just a new product that I'm just introducing to my hair care routine. But yeah, I'm off to bed now, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. So good night, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the next day. I've had my hair overnight in a plastic bag, obviously for the deep conditioning. So I've just taken it out, and I wanted to show you guys how I feel the product worked on my hair. So I'm just noticing something. So, you know, as I slept, my hair definitely did sweat, and hence it made the hair look wet. I feel like this side is not quite dry yet. Yes, it's definitely damp. And this side is a lot more dried than this side is. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it and dry it up properly, so that I can see how much you know, how moisturized it is, and obviously how I feel about it. So I'm gonna grab my blow dry. So I've decided I'm not going to blow dry my hair, because I'm trying to minimize using as much heat as possible on my hair. But I just started combing it out, obviously this side, as you can see, and this is all the breakages or shedding or whatever that's just come out, as opposed to yesterday when I was combing my hair. I've binned it. I was gonna show you, I forgot. I could have just kept it to show you how much hair came out, and all those baby tiny sheddings of hair that was all over the sink when I combed my hair yesterday before applying this. And right now there is barely anything. So yeah, I'm impressed. So far there is barely anything here compared to yesterday. So okay, I see improvement. So I'm gonna go ahead and gently detangle this bit, and just gently. It sort of does make your hair a bit hard though, if you ask me. And even though the hair is still nearly wet, this is how much breakage or shedding. That's nothing compared to yesterday. So this seems like a good deal. So I'm kind of impressed. So far so good. Barely anything. Right. Not so much. Bearing in mind I am still going through postpartum shedding, so it's all right for my hair to shed, because it's gonna take a while for me to completely stop losing hair, obviously after having a baby. But yeah, this is all in all, this is all the shedding or breakage that I have, that has come out of my hair so far with this product. So I am really impressed. And it also kind of like boosted or like improved the color of my hair. It's kind of like more shiny, and like more, the hair doesn't look dull or anything. It's more shiny, fuller, and it's already starting to look thicker already compared to how it was yesterday. So I'm really impressed with this product. So this is definitely gonna be a staple. I'm gonna go ahead and keep using it until, you know, it runs out, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and maybe purchase a bit more of the brand, so that I can, like, you know, use most of the lines to get the best of the result. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, as always, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. I will see you guys pretty soon in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.